guys, I'm Abhishek Mohan. Welcome back to my channel. What's happening? Today I'm in a hurry, guys. I want to finish this class before Mizu comes. Oh, you don't know Mizu. Remember this guy from my previous video?
Chinese insecurity?
If you haven't checked out my previous video, it is linked in the description. Today we are going to discuss about some important laws that every person in India must know about. I felt it was my duty to tell you guys about these laws after learning about the tragic custodial murder that happened in Tamil Nadu last month. So let's start the video. So the first law, guys, according to section 46(4) of the CPC, no woman can be arrested before 6 am and after 6 pm. If a woman needs to be arrested on urgent grounds, then the police officer must procure a permission from the magistrate stating the reason for the urgent arrest. And only a woman police officer can arrest a woman. So if you are a girl or a woman and a police officer comes at night to arrest you, you can simply say, get out.
Sharon, come on.
Get out of my house!
This is crazy, Sharon! Don't you see what's happening?
Get out of my house.
Moving on to the second law, this one is my favorite. According to Indian Series Act 1887, no hotel, even if it is a 5-star one, can't stop you from drinking their potable water or using their washroom for free. So the next time you are in a public place and the nature calls, feel free to go to any hotel.
Where's the bathroom? Where's the bathroom?
Number 3, guys, if a domestic cylinder or what we call an LPG cylinder gets blast during cooking or any other incident, then the family member has the right to get a compensation for up to 50 lakhs. Some of the people don't know about this insurance. This insurance is completely free. And if the insurance company deny giving you claim, then you can easily file a case against them in the court. Moving on to the fourth law, according to the Maternity Law 1961, no pregnant woman can be fired without stating the adequate reason. It will be punishable by a minimum of 3 years of imprisonment.
You know, it's quite sad that these laws are needed to stop these people. I mean, how can people be so cruel to fire a pregnant lady?
Yeah. Wait, where did you come from?
I'm everywhere.
Yes, of course. I really missed you. Moving on to the fifth law, guys. There are many cases where people are abused or harassed in the name of moral policing. For example, if a couple are spending some time in the park, just spending some quality time, and suddenly a police officer comes and starts asking questions and starts harassing them. My friends, this is completely illegal. You have every right to lodge a complaint against that police officer. Just note the name on his badge. But according to section 294 of the IPC, any person who does any obscene activity in a public place to the annoyance of others, then he can be imprisoned for a sum of 3 years or fine or both.
Yo, what are these obscene activities?
Yeah, that's a complicated one. The Indian law does not clearly state which are the obscene activities, but it usually says that the activities which are disturbing the public. So if you have any plan to kiss or hug in the public, guys, you can be arrested. When was the last time you were caught for not wearing a helmet? Or did the head constable fine you for an amount more than 100? Or did he snatch the key out of your vehicle? All this, my friends, except the caught for helmet thing, is not right. A head constable alone cannot fine you for an amount more than 100. A higher ranking officer such as a sub-inspector is needed for that. And police officers has no right to snatch the key out of your vehicle.
Can I look in the house?
Do you have a warrant?
Yeah, I have a warrant for him, yes, I do.
Do you have a search warrant?
You want me to get one?
I mean, if it's necessary.
You might have seen this clip in many movies. Yes, a police officer requires a search warrant to search a private property or the permission of the house owner to enter a house for the search. An exception to this case is that if a police officer is very certain that something illegal is happening in the private property, then he can take the risk and search the house. So if a police officer comes to your house without a warrant, you can just say, get out. I'm just kidding. You'll get a slap in the face for that. Just ask for the warrant. That's it, guys. 7 laws that you must never forget. If you like this video, share it with your loved ones, your friends and colleagues.
Hey, whoa, that's my line.
I completely forgot. Please do the honors.
If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel